Hi T again, and welcome back to this tutorial, and let's proceed with this. So before we created this shape, which I told we will manage to put also on the other side. Now when I press F4, it's fine, this one. Now you can see the dummy. Oh, what is this? Doesn't matter. The dummy is here, like the center of the object is here. It's like far. So let's go to hierarchy and affect the pivot and center to the object. Turn this off. I will select both of these and group this object just for a moment. Now I will do a mirror for this. Now I can rotate. Now I need to find this axis. I will check instance for this, and I will go down, straight down. You can leave it like this, and let's go to left view and put this part in the same distance like the part above, so somewhere here. Let's go to perspective to check it, and yeah, it's fine. It's okay. I think this part is finished. Now let's go here to the back for a while. I need to fix here something. I wasn't fixing this before, because doesn't matter why. So I'm going to fix it right now. So let's go to the object, and first this one here. You see it's curving each other. So I will just move this vertex, change the view to local, and move this down somewhere here, and the same with this shape. So this is the first change, which I will do here. Now I will do a straight cut from here until here. Delete this here, this, and this, and also this extra vertex. Okay, now select this edge and this edge, loop it, but before let's go and delete this one here, because actually we don't need it there. It's not affecting our shape anyway. Yeah, maybe a little bit. Let's go on back. Yeah, actually I will keep it there. We'll keep it there, but before we'll try again this loop here and here. We'll loop it, we'll loop this until here, and I need to chamfer this. I need to chamfer this just a little bit. Okay, let's go with this value here. It's okay. I will do the same on the other side, and in a moment I will show you why I did this. Just let's go to cut also here. Now the cutting should be similar to the shape, but as you can see, not always you can do it, or you just have no mode, so we'll just cut and cut. Okay, now gain the chamfer, so loop this, select this here, chamfer. Let's go here and connect these vertex back together. Now let's cut this here and here, the same on the other side, and we will connect this, which was collapsing before, back together. Now delete this one, and again 2 cuts on both sides, and delete these edges, and don't forget this vertex here, and one should be also here. Yes. Now when we now apply this modifier. You see, here is smooth and nice. Now let's go here down, and you see, here is very bad. Not nice and not cool. So, because this I did this, and I will do this on all four edges of this shape here inside. So it will take a little time, but I think it's not so much. So let's do the job also here. So first of all, let's do this cut. Actually, we can go. No. First, I want to do just this cut. I don't want to connect this straight here, because when I will be looping later the edges, I'm afraid that I will also select the edges which are going after this, and I don't want to chamfer them. I just want to chamfer these ones to get 2 extra, to be able to connect it back. So let's move this vertex here, still local. So one here, and the second we will move a little bit here. So again, I will delete this edge so far. We'll connect it a little bit later. So select this edges back, loop it, select this extra, chamfer is fine. I'm using the same value like before, so it will be on all sides the same. Okay, let's go to cut, and we'll connect this back together. And now we can cut this back to the shape like before. I hope I will not do some extra cuts or extra edges. And again, now this process takes some time, but you know, if you do something bad, you have to fix this. Usually you can't use any like quick tool for it, and you have to do it manually. So, but it's better to fix than leave it and just hide from anyone. I don't know if you tried any tutorial about a car modeling, and now you're telling that I'm moving the vertex like one by one. Just be sure that if you do a car, you actually do absolutely the same. It's worst, I think, because you will have a blueprint and just moving the edges. Usually you start from a plane, because you don't need the inside. You just do one half the car and use instance for the second half, and you have to match the blueprint, so you need a high quality blueprint to do it. And after you just need to move slowly the plane and stuff like that. So that is taking time. I think this is relatively quick, so we'll just do the fixes like before. So just we will double these edges here. Select this one. Apply the chamfer. Let's do some connection. Okay, now the same on the other side, and after this we will have to do it one more time, and we are done, and we can proceed with the shape which is looking like a cylinder. Now there will be some more details which we have to do. I wasn't thinking much about what to do there, but I hope the reference picture and the blueprint will tell us like how it should be looking. But anyway, it's like when we do few beauty mistakes, and it will be not like absolutely the rifle, it doesn't matter. We are not here to copy something, we are here to recreate. And if you can create this, you will have no problems if you want to absolutely recreate the rifle. Now first I will do cut, then move the vertex. So this is the last edge. And after we can proceed. I think these are the easy parts which we are doing. After we'll have to do the main body of the rifle, which I think will be the worst. And most of the details. We'll have to do their pipe, which is not a problem. That's the easiest part of the gun, I think. But just there are more round things which are there. I'm not sure how it will be going, so we'll see. We'll be surprised after the results, I think. So, cutting, and we are done. We'll just delete something after, and we will see how it will be looking. Okay. Now, wait. Okay. Let's do the cut also here and here. Now let's delete the edges which we don't need. Let's do more cuts and just delete the edges, one vertex, and we are done. I hope I didn't did any cuts which will make some double vertex there. You can use after weld to see if everything's okay. Okay, so this is done. So we fix this back, and let's go over here. So let's check the reference. So here's something more. Probably the best, because I don't think we'll much see from the top view, and even when we just click Alt X and see through, we'll not see much. So let's drag this up and we'll put it back into the place. We'll just finish it here, so I have the details here, and after put it back. Perspective. Okay, we can turn off Alt X. Now let's select this edge here and loop it. I will move it a little bit. I'm not sure if here's something or not. It's very hard to see. I'm sure something is here, like almost in the middle. So I'll ring this, connect, move it somewhere here. Should I do two connections? No, we can do it with extrude. We'll just keep this down. I don't know, this like this, maybe this a little bit up. Okay. Also for chamfer, just this edge here. Okay. Now I will select these edges, loop them, and chamfer, but just a little bit. It's too much. Less. Okay, like this. So I have this here. Now here's something. Just going inside of the shape. Interesting. It's looking like this. Let's go to front view, top view and Z. Now it should be okay. It should be this part here. So I will select everything. I'll do it until here. This is too much. Now I should select also this chamfer here. And wait. No, it's not going so far. It's stopping here. Okay, before I will move this a little bit back. Loop this and chamfer this back. Yeah. Okay, gain. Oops. Select this until here, and also this one, and deselect this and this. Now let's look if we selected the same on the back side. I think we did. Now let's go to top, Z to zoom, perspective, and I will go up with this extrude, and manually I will go down. Now I don't know if it should copy the shape. I think actually yes. So yeah, I can do it like this. So I will keep it like this. Now I will delete this police here. I should have here a cap. Which I have to fix. Yeah. This one too. This one too, and I will also delete this and this. So I'm just to create a poly here. I think I will have to use just a mirror tool, and because I don't have more to do this from the both sides, so let's just go to create and create these polys. Okay, this is number 1. Border this, cap this border here. Okay. Now I hope it's deep enough. Yeah, the shape. We wasn't doing it symmetric, but it's fine, I think. If it should copy the shape, it's fine. It shouldn't. Okay, we have a problem. So let's delete these ones and these two. It's a little bit hard to see. Let's also this here. Okay, where's the create? Here. Where's the create button? I think this triangle is fine there. Oh. Okay. It's fine. So first I will do it here and then just do a mirror. Okay, let's cap this. I hope everything is fine there. Can move this vertex here. Let's go try gimbal. Yeah. Just to form our shape a little bit more. The same here. Okay. Just thinking a little bit how to do it the best way without much work. So give me a minute. I'm sure we'll use subdivision. We will lose this more or less. So for sure we need to do chamfer. Just thinking where exactly. We can try to do it like this. Not to fix everything, which will be looking bad. Okay, it's too much. No, it's maybe not. I anyway wanted to chamfer this one more time, so we can chamfer also this from both sides. Now let's go here, select it, and select also this one, and here and here, here and here. Okay, one more. Now I would like to do here just one chamfer. Just oops. Oh, it's looking fine. Okay, manually. Okay. This is fine. And surely I saw here, so I'm a little bit surprised about this. Okay. Now let's go to front, not top. Z to zoom, and now we need to delete the half and put it back. So I will start like this. Oh, yeah. My bad. Sorry. Let's go to top. Oh, front. Now, where is our shape? I hate this. Let's go to perspective. First, let's go to perspective. And let's go to bottom. Back. Front, back. Yep. Okay, this is the view which I was searching for. Now, if I will select the right one, that's now the question. We'll see. So we need to delete this one here, everything, because control, because we want to apply symmetry on this and just weld the vertex after. So I will hit delete. Let's go to top, Z. Yeah, it was the right one. So okay, we'll go back to back. Let's go back to back. Now let's apply the symmetry modifier here. We need a copy of this, and exactly like this. Or maybe we need to move it a little bit, I'm not sure. Okay. Okay, let's zoom. Okay, now attach this back. Control A, and we need to weld. Into weld, and we'll use a really small value, like this. And it should be fine. Let's go to perspective, Z to zoom on it. We need to cap all holes. So cap this, and cap also this. Okay. So we have first a shape here. Actually, I have no idea what should be on the back side, but we can do something like this. Select this. Or select every oops, my bad. Select every second poly here. Now my mouse wheel is not working. Everything is just my mouse wheel. Strange. Let's go to different view. It was just the view. Yep. Hey, I created the camera. Cool. Okay. So back here. And let's select every second poly here. Should I do something else which I'm telling? It's very funny sometimes. Now it's easier to go inside than outside by extrude the bevel. Cool. Now I'll do a manual bevel. I need the bevel very low. Go to 0 and 0. Now I will go up like this, and I need to go inside. Okay, it's too much. Less. I'll apply this, I think, and do a manual bevel. Go again up, and now again up and inside. No, it's not much working with the mouse. It's not absolutely working with the mouse, so I will do it manually. Now even the back tool is not working. Now. Strange. Okay, I will keep this. If my max think it will be the best for me. Strange. I will keep the shape like this. Now I don't understand. I don't want it like this. I will select this. Oh, I hate when something like this happens. So select the top polys again. We'll quickly delete them, cap them, and do the bevel once again. Maybe after an hour, under will be working. So grow this selection. Will someone believe me this or not? Actually, this is very strange now. I'm afraid that I pressed something which I shouldn't. I'm very confused, but I don't know. We can leave this like this. We can just look how it's looking. Now it's not looking much good. No bevel there so far. Chamfer, I mean. this shape before is fine, even that I use subdivision. So here at the front is fine. I mean, just select this and we can insert this a little bit. Now it's okay. I'm getting a little bit angry because again the bevel isn't working. I mean, okay, whew, cool. So can go a little bit inside with this shape. The under is not working, I mean. Now, when we are inside, which actually wasn't doing, and I'm really confused about. Okay, I'm for sure I pressed something which I shouldn't press. Just try to convert it to poly. Let's try. Delete is working. So we can delete. Oh, please instead. Yep. Okay, we are back. We are back in the game. Happy. Okay, I will do a little bevel here. Okay, we are not absolutely back in the game. Okay, I think I have some problems with Mac, so yeah. What a surprise. Okay, I have no idea what happened, so I think I will stop here for sure and we'll continue in the next part. So I'm sorry for this issue, but I can't do anything against this, so stay by me. Bye bye.